We are going to learn now commissioning of transmitters. Though utmost care is taken regarding the slope of tubing or anything, during the erection we have taken the care of slope and everything, and it is still better to verify following to be safer side. What please use the condensate pot usage as per hookup drawing. Which take the class of condensate pot. This is very important, and we have erected condensate pot as per hookup drawing or not. We have to check. Method of charging transmitter, that is also important. How to charge the transmitter. Removal of trapped air. C. Commissioning of final control elements. Field equipment like control valves, dampers, other analog devices are to be commissioned. Binary device on-off type valve, gates, etc. are to be checked for proper wiring, power supply and direction. We check everything before the commissioning of final control elements. Please check the following points of pneumatic valve: air supply check, I to P converter calibration, positional calibration. So these three should be checked. Position feedback calibration. Sometime I to P converter present inside the positioner. So we have to sometime now new type of control valve is coming where we have only one positioner. We have to do the setting on that. We will do stock checking. In stock checking what we will do? We will do command like 0%, 25%, 50%, and we will see it's opening. If we are given 25% command, then it should open 25%. If it is not opening, then we will do the calibration. This is the stock checking. Commissioning of other measuring instruments. Flue gas oxygen measurement. That O2 analyzers. SWAS, steam and water analyzer system. Flue gas SOx measurement, flue gas NOx measurement, flue gas CO measurement. These also we have to do the flue gas CO measurement instrument. All are instrument only. So we have to do commissioning of this instrument also. Commissioning of above instrument done under the guidance of OEM. Sometimes OEM send their service person to commission this. Otherwise, you have to follow their manual. With manual, we commission this instrument. Commissioning of control room C&I equipment. Now, whatever instrument are present in the control room, we will see in this part of chapter. Control room panel and control room commissioning. What is that? Program to be loaded if it is not loaded. We bring the DCS from the OEM and we set up at the control room. Sometimes program will be loaded here before it's from where it is coming. Sometimes we have to upload the program at the site. If already done with the loading, it can be verified with software in any device. If it is loaded, then we can verify. Check the intra-panel and inter-panel communication. panel to panel communication and inside commission we have to check. Suppose we are installing the marshalling panel here, we have to lay the cable up to HIS panel. These are the communication cable we have to check. Final commissioning of DAS system engineering station, we will do the final commissioning. Engineering station means that we have before we have learned that there in HIS HIS will be in two parts. One is engineering station, one is operating station. So we will see commissioning of this engineering station. And we have to commissioning also operating station also. During this time only we have to power up DAS or DCS, because we require the train's alarm also operator travel. In this time also we will start the DAS, so that we can see the train's alarms also. We set the trains and alarms at the time commissioning only. Functional check of logic, whatever logic is there, control logics are there. So this also we will check during the commissioning only. We will simulate. We didn't get the actual data at the starting time, but by simulation we can check it. If the process is ready, then it is also possible that we can check without simulation also. It will only depend on the readiness of project. Interlock and protection check, this is also important, we will do. This is very important. How to check the protection, like suppose boiler feed pump is there, PFP is there, what are the protection, what are the 8 to 10 protection are there, like tank level, low, it should trip. So this we have to check. We will commission the auto control loop also. Tuning of controller is done in the commissioning activity. Tuning we will do in commissioning activities or after 40 or 45% of load we will do the tuning. So 40 or 45% of load means, if suppose our boiler is 50 TPH, so after 30 TPH, after 20 TPH we can do the tuning. Then only possible to do the tuning. At that moment only we can tune our control PID. Tuning we have seen in the controller chapter. Now SAT. What is the SAT? Many times people ask in the interview what is the SAT. There are two terms. One is SAT. What is the full form? Site acceptance test. And one is FAT. Factory acceptance test. The purpose of performing SAT. What is the purpose? See, with the help of SAT, we are able to know the operating condition of our control system during the startup of the process system. Any process system is going to first time start, we have to perform the SAT. We perform the SAT at the manufacturing or assembly factory that I have told before. What is the important now? All the concepts explained are used in commissioning of various equipment. There are several C&I systems, and their sequence of commissioning is decided by the requirement for the achievement of the sequential milestone of any plant. So whatever we have presented the sequence. That is not mandatory, or that is not a hard and fast rule. You can interchange the sequence. It is depends totally on the project readiness or project requirement. What is the commissioning protocol? This is very important when you go for the C&I erection. This is the very important point. Here, this is a document that is duly signed with the customer and vendor. This is the document when signed by authorities that gives the guarantee of completion of installation, commission of any instrument and control system according to a drawing and applied regulation. So by this document, when this document has been signed, that time it will be the proof for that our instrument has been commissioned as per the drawing and as per the applied regulations. So this is a very important document. Thank you.